Hi friends, today you are learning about ATS panel and the control circuit how to simulation working. That is today you are learning. Let's start today video. This is the control panels to use both main incomer and generator incomer to control to load. It is used in high-rise building where you necessary the load is continuously work. There is using this panel. This is ATS control panel. It is manually and automatically, both option is there. You operate this panel. Let's start today simulation this project control wiring. This is the control wiring, this is the control wiring, this is the power wiring. First you are operate manual and automatic, both you control this panel. Now first you start this diagram. This is the generator, this is the main incomer, this is the generator incomer. Now it is off. Okay, this is a 2 MCCB and this is a 2 contactor. I am using this small project 2 kilowatt, so I am not using this ACB, only using MCCB and contactor. This is the load MCCB and their pilot lamps. This is the control wiring. This is the selector switch, auto and manual. This is the push button switch of main incomer. This is the generator. This is the automatic and their pilot lamps. Now start. Now first you operate manually. I am go to selector switch, operate manually. When it manually, I am all this MCCB closes. Now you see this is the UBR, under voltage relay, for using automatic system. You check, this UBR is activated. Now I am first using main incomer on. See, main incomer is on. See here, this contact is on, this contact is off. This is the main incomer. Now it is working in main incomer. Now I am on the generator, but it cannot be on because interlocking is provided mechanically and electrically. You check, this pilot lamp is main incomer, this is the generator incomer. Now off main incomer. See, main income is now off. Now we start generator manually, both panel and generator panel. This is the generator you are using. Here this is the control panel, generator. Both you are working in manually. Here select manually and go to panel also, you manually start. Now I am going to generator. You on the generator. Yeah, generator is on, but contactor is cannot on because we are not on this here. And on. See, contactor is on. The generator is on, off, on. This is the generator. Manually you on and off the generator and main incomer. Now going to automatic. Now generator is off. Now generator is auto mode. Generator is auto mode. Selector switch also auto mode. Now there is no power. You see, I am cut out the fuses, so there is no main power supply. Now see, generator is on, main supply is off. Now I am click this on main power. See, generator is off, main power is on, load is continuous working. You also see this pilot labs. Now I off the main income, automatically generator will start. See, generator will be start. When power is cut off, generator will be start. But I am here not using for some condition, that is I will tell you. When current is going come, but generator is suddenly off, but you need some places not suddenly off generator. It will, when power is coming, it need 2 to 3 minutes. After that generator will be stopped. That case you can use on delay timer in this circuit, but I am not using here, but you can add this timer. I am not in this diagram, I am not using datacom controller, that I am showing in here. This is the datacom controller. You can also use this datacom controller for ATS control panel, but I am not using here. Here I am only using relay logic. This is the ATS control panel simulation. Thank you for watching my video.